I'm just going to post this real quick because I could not find this information when I was getting prepared to do this job. I was wondering how hard these O2 sensors are to get to. Everyone seems to have a video either showing or replacing the top O2 sensors. That would be sensor 1 on bank 1 or bank 2. But nobody shows the sensor 2 or the bottom sensors that I could find. So I'm just going to show you guys the sensor locations on all 4 O2 sensors real quick. So they're actually pretty conveniently placed. On this vehicle, this is a 06 Santa Fe, but it'll be the same for any Santa Fe in this generation. It's also going to be extremely similar, if not exactly the same, for any Hyundai with this engine. The 2.7 V6 is what we're working on here, but this one specifically is an 06 Santa Fe. So up top here on the front, you got one right there, and on this vehicle, on this engine, you have these catalytic converters in the exhaust manifolds, or precats, whatever you would call them. So basically, right on the top of it, you got one, and on the bottom side, you got one, top and back. And I'll get under the car and show you that as well, because you can't really see anything from up top here on the rear. So I'm under the front of the car here, and you're going to want to remove this panel to access the lower one on the front, but I can still show you where it is from the back side of this panel real quick. All right, and there you can see it pretty much down at the bottom of the radiator there on the underside of that, just like I said for the front. And then here's our rear. So your sensor 1 at the top there, and then sensor 2, where are we at here? At the bottom on the right hand side, pointing at the passenger side of the vehicle is where that other one is located. Also, of course, guys, that's with that top cover off. You got 6 10mm bolts you have to remove to take that top plastic cover off to give you this room up here. But that's it. Real short, sweet, and simple. Like I said, I just wanted to show where the locations were because I could not find that when I was looking. It's not really a how-to video. If you needed some pointers, definitely go with one of these oxygen sensor sockets. It's a 7/8 or 22 mil. You can slide that wire through there, down over that, and that's how you're going to get that. If you try to use a line wrench, you cannot get the line wrench on without taking off the shield, and these bolts very notorious for snapping off because they're so tiny and rusty. So you really want to use one of these O2 sensor sockets here. And then other than that, I hit them all with a PB blaster several times over the course of a couple hours to get them nice and loosened up for me, because they can be pretty tight. But that's it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like and tell me down below in the comments.